Hello friends and welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make the most easiest and one of the most popular pastas in the world, that is Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. Aglio means garlic, olio means oil. So basically it is just spaghetti with garlic and oil. So here are the ingredients we need for this recipe. So let's get started. Firstly, we will slice the garlic as thin as possible. So take your time and slice them very thin. Now we will dice the parsley leaves, and for this we are not taking the stem, so all the big stems we will remove them, and we just need the leaves for this recipe. Now we will dice them fine. Be really careful while doing this. So we have diced the parsley really fine and we have sliced the garlic. So now let's start cooking. So here we have a big pot and we are boiling water in it. And now I'll add 2 tablespoons of salt. I'll just mix it up. And now we will add our spaghetti in this boiling pasta water. Let this spaghetti cook as per the instructions given on your packet. I am using a wheat-based spaghetti over here, so this will take around 10 to 12 minutes. So now we'll make our sauce. For this, let's take a pan and add a generous amount of olive oil in it. This is about 4 to 5 tablespoons for about 100 gram of spaghetti. And in this, we will add our sliced garlic. Make sure you add the sliced garlic in a cold oil, so that the garlic won't brown quickly. We basically need to infuse this olive oil with the garlic flavor, and we don't want to brown these garlic slices. So after about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, we have achieved this light golden color, and this is the perfect color for this recipe. So now we will add half a tablespoon of chili flakes. This is totally optional. To stop the chili from burning, we will add 1 cup of pasta water. You need to hear this sizzle. And now we will add our cooked spaghetti. Mix the spaghetti well. So after stirring about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add the chopped parsley. And now we'll add juice of 1 lemon. So once all the pasta water is gone, the spaghetti is ready to serve. To garnish, add some diced parsley. And this is totally optional. I have Parmesan cheese over here. And voila, Spaghetti Aglio E Olio is ready.